Looking for the best foldable phones worth it but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best foldable phones worth it based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. OMOTON OTS-C4 Purple G015 US Foldable Cell Phone Stand. We're absolutely loving this super versatile phone stand. It's perfect for anyone on the go or with multiple devices to keep organized, and that's exactly why it's earned a spot on our list. With universal compatibility that spans all iPhone and Samsung models, plus iPads and tablets, it's the ultimate solution for households with devices in every corner. The adjustable angle feature is insane, allowing you to customize your viewing experience to exactly 270 degrees, making it perfect for watching videos, playing games, or even just making phone calls. Plus, its sturdy construction and premium aluminum alloy ensure it stays firmly in place. And when you're done, it folds up so compactly you can toss it in a backpack or suitcase. Talk about portable. Number 4. JUSDIQIR Cell Phone Stand for Desktop Phone Stand. Imagine you're on a long phone call, scrolling through notes and typing away, your hands cramping from the awkward grip on your phone. That's where this fantastic phone holder comes in, saving you from body pain and discomfort with its adjustable design that lets you find the perfect angle for hands-free use. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or studying, it's a lifesaver for anyone who's spent hours hunched over their screen, and I've got to say, this thing is rock-solid stable. Even with a heavy phone, so if you're tired of aching hands and bad posture, this product is a must-have. Number 3. UGREEN Foldable Phone Desk Stand Cell Phone Stand. Imagine you're a busy mom, juggling breakfast and getting your little one ready for school while trying to catch up on the news on your tablet, and you desperately need a stable place to prop it up. That's where this incredibly handy phone stand comes in. It's collapsible and portable, so you can easily stash it away when not in use, and it weighs a mere 2.2 ounces, making it perfect for tossing into a purse or backpack. But what really sets it apart is its super sturdy design, with a stable triangle structure that keeps your larger phone or tablet firmly in place, and the multi-angle adjustable feature lets you customize the viewing experience to your heart's content. Plus, the anti-slip and anti-scratch silicone mats give you peace of mind, and the broad compatibility means it'll work seamlessly with your various devices. Number 2. Nulaxy A4 Full Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. What sets this phone stand apart from its competitors is its universal compatibility, working seamlessly with all 4 to 8-inch smartphones and e-readers. It's perfect for gamers, YouTubers, and anyone who needs a sturdy and adjustable desk accessory. I'm impressed by the high-quality aluminum construction, which holds your phone firmly in place, and the rubber pads that prevent scratching and sliding. You can even use it with your phone case, thanks to the generous hook width of 19 mm. A well-designed phone stand like this is a must-have for anyone who wants a hassle-free viewing experience, and I'm happy to give it a thumbs up for its impressive performance. Number 1. Nulaxy A4 Dual Folding Cell Phone Stanr. This phone stand set is one of the most versatile accessories I've ever come across, with a standout feature that lets you hold your phone anywhere and anytime. It's ideal for both work and at home, and the fact that it collapses completely makes it easily adaptable to any situation. The sturdy and protective design is made of high-quality aluminum, keeping your phone firmly in place with no fear of wobbling, and the rubber pads shield your phone from scratches and slippage. This phone stand is also case-friendly, accommodating devices with heavy cases, and is compatible with all 4 to 10 smartphones, making it a great option for anyone who wants a hassle-free viewing experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.